todo, and today I'm gonna be opening up some Hot Wheels. Got some new Hot Wheels, like the new Mercedes-Benz 500e. Got the 3 different colors. Some Nissans, the Camaro, a couple of the Nomads, and some of the, the tail dragger. But I'll start off with the 3 Mercedes-Benz 500e. These are nice. These are the 3 different colors that they have. I'm not sure if there's an exclusive one right now. I think there was gonna be one, or one came out. I'm not sure about that, but these are the basics. And this one is new for 2021. This model. It's a really nice model. This was like the first color. No, actually this was the first color. New for 2021. And there was a silver. And the red. But yeah, I'm gonna open these up. This one's already pretty much open. Didn't really have much glue on it. You can tell right there. But yeah, this is a really cool model, and I want to be getting all the different colors and color variations, exclusives, whatever comes out. This one's pretty nice. 4 doors. It's got the tail lights. 500e. The Mercedes badge. Some pretty nice 5 spokes. Front grille, front headlights. Yeah, I like this color, the black one. I think the all black one looks really like mafia car, you know. And then there was there was a silver one, and then this red one's actually the newest one. This one already has the 2022 Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, it looks pretty nice too. Also with the same 5 spokes and chrome. It's got the tail lights. I actually got one that had the tail lights all the way down here. And then I got another one. This is the second one that I got. And the other one I just kept the card in. But yeah, this is a really cool car. Black interior. I think some black rims would have looked nice. I like the all red color with black rims. Most cars, it looks really good. And the last one is the Mercedes-Benz 500e in silver. Yeah, these are all the same model. Just this one is a silver one. This one looks really clean too. I think the silver cars, I mean, whatever car it is, it always looks really like clean, like even if it's like an old 2001 Ford Focus or something, you know, like it always keeps it like a clean look to it. This one's really nice. It looks pretty elegant. The silver color. It's got the same wheels on all 3 cars. Just different colors. And when I start getting more different colors, I'll add them to the collection. That looks pretty cool like that. 3 different colors. It's a pretty cool model. I'm gonna be putting these in my little plastic cases. Well, I don't have one right now, but yeah, I'm gonna keep this in my loose collection. It's a really nice model, nice colors. Then I have this 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Iroxy in blue with blue. And these are the other ones that I had. This one's like a mustard color, kind of gold. Looks pretty nice. says Iroxy on the side right there. Black stripes on top of the hood. Yeah, this is a really nice model too. 1985. Got the all blue one with the Iroxy letters in silver. That looks cool like that, the hood. Like the extra vents or whatever it is. This is really nice. It's a really nice color too. It's kind of the same as this one. This one has like a little bit lighter blue on stripes. And I also have the all yellow, black with the red flames. That looks pretty cool. All red interior. This one has the 5 spokes like the Mercedes. Yeah, this is a cool cast. And the last one that I had already in my collection was this one. This one's like red interior. It's got kind of a greenish, like that antifreeze color, sort of, and like a kind of a satin color though. It's got some pretty cool wheels, black stripes with the red on. Not sure if that's like a vent or something for the hood. But yeah, it looks really nice. And this is the newest one. This one's this one's from the Q case. So this one's still 2021. I had it right there in the ones that I've been buying, and wanted to add it to my loose collection. Not sure if I have any more that are carded, but I'm gonna look into my collection, see if I have any more, so I can just have them all opened. This one's all blue too, but with the lighter blue color on the right down the middle. It's like a big stripe. It's got like some light blue on the bottom of the card too. Bottom section right here. It looks pretty cool though. I like how it says Iroxy though. This like old Camaro looks really classic. Now I got 5 different ones, 5 different colors, and I'm gonna see if I have any more carded though. I'll open those up too, add them to the collection. This is the Iroxy. And then I have the 2 Nissan Leafs, Nismo RC02. These are the 2 colors that have come out. It's the new for 2021, the silver one. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's one of those casts that when I get every color. Yeah, it's a pretty cool silver with black. The front looks pretty aggressive. Some headlights. The big wing on the back. It's all wide body too. This is really cool. It's all glass on the top. Some tinted windows. Yeah, this is a really nice car. What did I say? Nissan Intelligent Mobility. It's a Nissan IM. That was the first one, and this is the 2021. I mean 2022 already, because it's got the logo. You can already spot the difference on that. And these are both from the, what is this called? Oh yeah, the Hot Wheels Green Speed, which is the electric cars. I was gonna open up that Mustang, the Mach-E, but I think there's gonna be another color to it, so I think I'll just wait. I'm waiting until the other color comes out. But this one's all red with black. It's got like a matte black design on the side. It's Nissan Intelligent Mobility. This one doesn't have headlights though. But yeah, but this one looks really nice though. The black wheels with the red. That's what I like to see right there. Big wing on the back. There's a cool custom. Can't wait. There's more more colors coming out. But yeah, those are nice. And let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, I got some classic Nomads. I want to add these to my Nomad collection. And these are all loose. This one's the Hot Wheels one, an orange, old 3 spokes. Yeah, this one's pretty, looks pretty rough though. It's got a metal base. This cast goes back to 1969, so that's a pretty cool classic car. 2-door wagon. It's nice. I like this one. I've liked this cast for a while. Then I got this one's more like a red burgundy type. Not burgundy, it's more red. It's also got the metal base. Not sure what year this came out though. It's all metal on metal. It's pretty heavy. White interior. 5 spokes. And I got another one, but with what is that, like 8 spokes? 7 spokes? Something like that. It's got the gold wheels. The other one has the chrome wheels. It's the same color, just actually the interior is different too. This one's more like a little light yellow color. Also metal base, metal body. Got those two. Got this orange one with the yellow wheels. Green flames. It's all the same cast though. The classic Nomad. I got this one. This one's really nice. Gold wheels. White with yellow flames. It's like a little bit darker orange. I got the blue one with the orange flames, orange wheels. This one looks pretty clean too. And the last one is the purple one with the white flames, chrome wheels, 5 spokes. I think this one's like actually like the nicest color one because the flames just like really contrast to the color. Looks clean. And what was that? Oh, I got these two. This is actually like one of my like older one from like the 2001, 2002. I wanted to put them all together, so see, it even has like a extra piece of plastic. Yeah, this one's really cool. Hot Wheels, red lines. It's got some red lines, 5-spoke wheels. All orange with the white stripes. And it's got the metal base too. Metal body. Black interior. Yeah, this one's really nice. Another one is this one's from the Muppets series, the Muppets set, number 1 of 5. It's a pretty cool card. And I also have another one of these, so I have it carded with the Muppet set. I actually didn't get that full set though. This one's really glued on. But yeah, I missed I never got this one, the cool one. And I never found the Volkswagen, the custom Volkswagen Beetle with the Miss Piggy. Those are the 2 that I needed for that collection, for that set. Never got them. Well, the Volkswagen would have been pretty hard to find, but the other one I just never bought it, I guess. And this one has a plastic gray base. It's all green. The Muppets. We got some neighbors talking out loud. There you got that Kermit the Frog right there on the side. It's all green, like a bright green, with a little bit of orange stripes and white and some black. That Kermit looks pretty cool though. It's got some red wheels. It's pretty cool. Black interior. There you go. That's all my classic Nomads so far. The loose ones. And most of these I don't have carded. I just got them all loose, I guess. Some I probably got them used too. Yeah, I really like this. This is a Larry Wood. Wait, this is a Larry Wood? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Larry Wood design. And the last one that I wanted to open was the tail dragger. I got 3 different tail draggers. This is actually a 2-pack though. It's like an old Halloween special one. Halloween Highway limited edition series. This card's all like messed up anyway, so must have got this one at the swap meet. I guess we'll start off with the bus. Seymour Creeps. Creeper features. It's got orange wheels. Like it's got the circle spokes or whatever. Looks pretty cool. All orange glass. Yeah, this is a pretty big piece of glass right here. Big bus. You can actually see like the seats are inside too, so that's like a lot of detail for like $1, you know what I mean? Like look at this, man. This is really nice. It's got a Halloween design on top. Hot Wheels Halloween with the pumpkin. Yeah, this is really cool. It's all black. And another one of these, I have the police one. This one has a lot of details, so you can actually see the blue seats inside too. Check that out. Like a whole row of seats right there. That's a lot of detail. And that's what I like to see. Got those two. Police one and the Halloween one. And the tail dragger. Check this out. Yeah, this is actually pretty heavy though. It's all blue with the Halloween design also. It says Full Mona Lisa. That looks really nice. Check that out. Looks so Halloween. The candles, the skull, the devil girl. Dementia Drive-In. Full Mona Lisa. That looks really nice. This is sick. I know I got this one at the swap meet. On one of my swap meet trips. This one says 1997. I'm not sure when these guys came out though. Not sure if that's the cast or when this one came out, but it's the tail dragger. It's really nice. Looks really like 40s car. Check that out. It's all low. Then I got the tail dragger from the Spider-Man Maximum Venom. The set of 5. This one's number 5 of 5. This one's the Venomized Doctor Strange. That's a pretty cool card too. Actually did get this full set. It's pretty cool. I like Marvel characters and Hot Wheels, so it's a win-win. Check that one out. This one's all matte black. It's got the Venomized logo on the side. Some blue stripes. It's just all solid matte black. That looks really clean. Check that out. That's like the kind of like a spider logo or something. It's got some yellow wheels, 5 spokes. Damn, that looks really clean. And the last one, the last card that I'm gonna open, is the tail dragger from like the 90s, 1998. This is from the Pinstripe Power Series. And this card is also pretty messed up, so I need to set it loose. Check that out, man. That looks really clean. Pinstriping. Damn, that looks cool. All like glossy black. Some pinstriping on the sides too. On the hood, check that out. That looks really cool. And it's got the what's it called? The metal base with the exhaust coming out the sides. Metal base, metal body. Check out those wheels. Those are really nice. Yeah, this is a really cool model. I'll try to get more of those. Tail draggers. More of these buses too. They look cool. Now I got 9 different Nomads. This one's a new one. Oh, this one. And the Kermit. And I got the 3 Mercedes. 3 different colors. Those that have come out. Now I got 5 of the Iroxy. And 2 of the Nissan Leaf. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.